Today we are in Limosano, in the heart of the characteristic historic center of Limosano, a small town in Molise Region with all kinds of basic facilities. Limosano is situated at just 25 minutes drive from Campobasso, the capital city of Molise Region. And today we are looking at the completely restored four-bedroom townhouse of approximately 200 square meters. And the main entrance on the ground floor opens into a corridor that leads to the fully furnished kitchen. And right next to it, we find a large dining room. And the dining room has direct access to a large panoramic terrace, perfect for outdoor meals. And the terrace overlooks the garden and enjoys a beautiful, breathtaking view of the surrounding hills, mountains, and village. On the same floor, we find also a full bathroom with shower facilities and a cozy living room. From the corridor, the internal staircase takes us to the first floor. Where we find the large master bedroom with a balcony, a single bedroom, a second double bedroom, with a balcony overlooking the historic center. And lastly, a toilet that serves this floor. Now we can reach the second floor. Where we find another large double bedroom with its own balcony. And a large storage room. The house also avails of an attic floor used as storage space. And now we are back outside so that I can show you the annex. Where we have a large dining room with vaulted ceilings, that can be turned into a bedroom. And next to it we find a fully equipped kitchen with ceramic sink and a large water tank. And this part of the house is situated on the basement floor, and it is also internally connected to the house and can be used as a self-contained guest area. And here we find also a small toilet. Next to the annex, we find a 20 square meters garage with an automatic gate. and also a separate building used as storage space. The property has all utilities connected, including central heating system, is completely restored. It is offered for sale fully furnished in excellent conditions and ready to move in. For more information, you can send an email to info@abruzzoruralproperty.com.